Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you how to get this fun, cutesy, doll-inspired look, which is pretty minimal with big lashes. So if you'd like to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first I went in with my eyes. I used the Bebella 35C palette, and I took that light brown shade on a crown eyeshadow brush, and I placed that all over my lid and up into my crease as well. Next, I went in with this richer burgundy shade on the Luxie 221 T brush, and I ran that super close to my upper lashes. And then I went in with this black shade. This black shade is a little lighter than the one next to it. And then I ran it even closer to my upper lashes. And then I went back in with that burgundy shade on a defining crease brush, and I ran it along both of those colors. And then going in with that crown brush, I am just blending all those colors together, but I am not dragging the color any further up than where it is. And then that's actually it for my lids. So then I'm moving on to my face, and I started out with the Rimmel Lasting Finish Foundation in the shade Ivory, and I buffed that into my skin with an AOA F4 brush. And then I went in with the Rimmel Lasting Finish Concealer. I think this is the shade Ivory. If not, I'll have it listed down below. And then I blended it out with that same brush. And then to set all of that into place, I went in with the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder in the shade Transparent. And I used a BS Small tapered face brush for under my eyes, and then a BS Small angled face brush for the rest of my face. And then to finish off this super simple shadow that I am doing, I just ran that lighter brown color on my lower lashes. And then using that Luxie brush, I am using the burgundy shade, and I'm running that even closer to my lower lashes. And then I am repeating that step, but with that black that we used. Then for mascara, I went in with the Butter London Double Decker Lashes Mascara and coated my bottom and top lashes. And now I really, really rarely wear lashes because I just don't like the way that they look on my eyes. But I wanted to do this look and I wanted to put really chunky lashes on my lower lashes. So I figured I had to put some on the top too to kind of balance it all out. And I think this is a brand called Salon Perfect. I can't even remember. I've had them in my drawer for a very long time. But I put them on my top lashes and then I had a second pair, which I cut up little sections and I placed that on the outer third of my lower lashes. And here's a little up close to show you what I did. And then for bronzer, I went in with the BH bronzer in Tranquil Tan on a Wet n Wild fluffy angled brush, and I bronzed my cheekbones. And for blush, I went in with the Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in the shade Rosé Champagne on my favorite Royal & Langnickel Moda Pro pointed blush brush. And for highlight, I went in with the Wet n Wild highlight in Precious Petals, and I highlighted my cheekbones, my cupid's bow, the tip of my nose, and the bridge of my nose. And then I wanted to add faux freckles, so I went in with the Profusion brow palette, and I took that warmer brown shade and a small eyeliner brush, and then I started just placing little dots all around where I wanted my freckles. And then what I prefer to do after I place them down, I like to press the shadow into my foundation and my skin so that it helps lighten it up a little, and then I'll go back once more after I do all of that and add a few darker ones as well to give it different depths. And then for the most part, I just run those freckles along my cheeks, my cheekbones, and then the bridge of my nose. And then here's a little up close to see how they turned out. And then for lips, I went in with the Colourpop liquid lipstick in the shade Monday. And then I went in with the LA Colors High Shine Shea Butter Gloss, I believe it is. I don't know the shade name of this one because it did rub off, so I'll have it in the description box down below. And then that completes this super simple doll-inspired look. I had a lot of fun doing this, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you in my next one.